Hello viewers, toward the end of last month I mentioned that Microsoft update Defender to protect new Windows installs from malware. As I said before, first few hours after installing Windows can leave your system open to threats because of a Defender protection gap. This happens because the Windows setup file may have old anti-malware definition. Now Microsoft has released another Defender update to close that gap, and they seem to be doing this more often. In the past it was about once a month, but now halfway through August they have already rolled out another update. I think this is a smart move to make sure ISO image file include the latest security definition of Defender. According to the Microsoft, devices using these images are not fully protected until they get their first anti-malware update. These updates also include important performance fixes that improve the user experience. If we check the release notes for the latest Defender update for installation images, this applies to Windows 11, Windows 10 and Windows Server 2022, 2019 and 2016. I will leave a link to a page where you can download the Defender updates for the different Windows versions. The newest security intelligence version for this update is 1.431.796.0 on my system. My Defender definition update earlier today on the 18th to version 1.435, while this ISO image file sit on 1.431. That's still better than having month-old definition. It might not be fully up to date with the very latest version, but it's a step in the right direction to close the Defender protection gap. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe our channel. I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.